Hey Stitching Muses, it's Vivian here. We've been sewing a lot recently, so today I want to show you 3 of my bralette patterns, Amelia, Carmen and Clarisse. I will show you them on the table and then on the body and explain what makes each one different. Let's start with Amelia. This is Amelia. It's a very simple and clean design with lace caps and classic underbust band. It's one of the easiest patterns and perfect if you are just starting with lingerie sewing. Amelia works beautifully in lace, but you can also sew it in a cotton jersey for a more everyday look. For the closure, you can choose between a classic bra closure at the back or a slider and hook system if you prefer an adjustable band. It gives a natural shape and light support. Because of the simple construction, it feels very comfortable for everyday wear. If you want something elegant but uncomplicated, Amelia is a beautiful place to start. This is the Carmen Bralette. It has a more supportive and sporty look compared to Amelia. It's made with 2 layers and features darts under the bust for better shaping. The double layer adds more stability. Under the bust there is a wider plushback elastic that provides extra support. At the back, Carmen uses a wider bra closure which makes it feel secure and balanced. Compared to Amelia, Carmen feels more structured and supportive. It's a great option if you want something soft, but with a bit more hold. So if you like a sporty look with real support, Carmen is a great choice. This is the Clarisse Bralette. It also has a double layer construction, but the main feature is the front wrap design. I originally designed this one for modal or bamboo jersey, soft fabrics that adapt to the body. The front crossover creates a very flattering neckline. Because of the knit fabrics, Clarisse feels very soft and flexible. It's comfortable and smooth, especially if you prefer knit fabrics instead of a lace. It's perfect for a relaxed, everyday look. So Amelia is simple and relaxed, Carmen is more structured and supportive, and Clarisse is soft and relaxed. If you are choosing your next project, think about what kind of feeling you want. Next week we are switching the focus at panties, different cuts and different coverage. So see you soon!